I'm gonna test this out right quick on your app. Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Katie here, aka Big Katie, and let me explain. I know I've been gone for a little while, but the truth is, and I got a comment asking me, can I slow the video down? And since I asked, I did. This is real time. I didn't even speed it up or nothing. Y'all gonna watch me do nails real time, but it's not gonna be real time the whole time. It's gonna switch from real time to fast forward. If y'all seen my last video, my last shorts, my last reel, y'all know it was a nail fail. And you know what we do when you have nail fails? We do nail redemptions. This is my redemption set. Okay, it was feeling real. She wanted She wanna lick me like a lollipop by Lil Wayne. So that was the inspo today. Speaking of my reels, go follow me on Instagram at Katie Luxury Nails. Yes, tune in on here, y'all. Not just on YouTube. And make sure y'all like and leave a comment. And even share if y'all want to. Like, I ain't gonna beg or whatever. But a lollipop set been on my mind for so long, and I didn't know how it would look if I built an actual 3D lollipop as a nail, like the way I'm envisioning it, not the way it sounds. So I did Lil Wayne lollipop nails instead. And growing up, I remember me, all my big cousins, my girl cousins, they was older than me. I was getting one. They will always watch the Lollipop Lil Wayne music video, and I just remember the limousine scene. I don't know. I think we really like that song. I remember that song a lot. Like that's the one thing I can remember. And I was gonna ask about y'all, but I always want to ask about y'all. I should tell y'all about me. Let me tell y'all about me, because obviously this is my channel. Y'all need to get to know me, okay? And then I can get to know y'all. I'm 21. I'm from Michigan. My birthday, July 22nd. I started doing nails when I was 16, 17, just practicing in the house. Then I started doing my cousin nails. Then I started doing my mama nails. Then I started taking clients, and I think 4 months into doing nails, I was interviewed by Voyage Michigan for like inspiring or rising entrepreneurs as a nail tech, and I'm gonna put that in here too. If you stay in Michigan, drop a little glove in the comment. Okay, drop a little glove. And you know, in Michigan, that's all a little legal, so if I sound a little mellow, I'm 21. So, you know, oh my goodness, I got kids who follow me, so I try to be a responsible adult. I try not to be a bad influence at my big old age. So I really just mean,
Just be nice. I'm finding it. It take you that long to find it? It does.
So y'all need to let me know, do y'all like it sped up or do y'all like it unedited? Because this is unedited. I did not speed this up at all. Would y'all want me to speed it up a little bit and don't do time lapse? Because I used to record on time lapse, and that's why it seemed so fast, because it was already fast forwarded for me, so I didn't have to. And I'm gonna start doing more on this channel. I'm about to start vlogging soon. I want y'all to really get to know me. Like, I'm a nail tech, but y'all also got to get to know me. So I'm about to start putting me on the camera soon, going out. I wanted to go. I don't know if I'm gonna still do that though. I don't want to say something and I don't do it. And normally for the little short videos, I talk the whole way through, but for 14 minutes, y'all want me to talk to y'all? Y'all don't even talk to me. Like, be for real. Like, y'all barely talk to me. Y'all barely fuck with me. And so yeah, we about to listen to the music, and I'll be back once I'm done doing the application, okay? And I hope y'all know when I said y'all barely fuck with me, I was just playing. Like, that was just a joke. Like, don't get your panties in a bunch. And if y'all did, unbunch them, because yeah, don't get no attitude with me. I was just playing. Now I'm not playing. Get your granny panties from upside that bunch. Get them unbunched up around here on my channel. Unbunch your granny panties, okay? I'm a bunching for you. Only time your panties can be bunched if I'm doing a bunching, okay? And y'all, them are the burns on my arm. I was on my period and I was using a hot water bottle. And the hot water bottle, it popped and it burst and it burnt my arm. And it burnt my thighs. It didn't burn my stomach though. But it healed. I'm surprised it healed this well. I'm not complaining. But yeah, that's why I got like dark scars in like certain spots in my pores. Only spots that didn't really heal was like the pores, the hair follicles. But fuck it, we ball. And I know I said I was done, but I'm done talking for real this time. Be for real. If I don't talk to y'all gonna be saying I don't talk. And if I do talk too much, y'all gonna say I talk too much. So I'm gonna talk how I wanna talk. But yeah, I be sounding real calm and his voiceover is real chill. Like, this is what my voice sound like? Dang, I'm a real chill ass bitch.
But I gotta be strong, girl, you did me wrong. I thought we were really down. I thought we were down. Now you say you want me, girl. Ooh, make up your mind. I'm not gonna be here for long. I'm not gonna be here for long. You know you want my loving, baby.
Alright, so as you can see, I done started filing. And why am I filing in the motherfucking pinky? The pinky fell off, so if my nails be looking crooked sometimes, it's really not my nails. Sometimes it's really just these fingers. Like, I be hot gluing them back on. I'm gonna give me another one. I'm gonna give me a silicone hand. I know. I already know. You ain't gotta tell me. Then we're going in with the sanding band. We're gonna sand it, make it real smooth. And then that's when we're gonna start the fun part. The part everybody's probably here for. Nail art is the start of this show, okay? Nail art is the start of this program, okay? Act like y'all know. And of course, I decided to start with the 3D lip. You know, she didn't show her ass on this channel a few times. Not gonna lie, she didn't appear on this channel a few times. And then we're doing a ta-ta nail. You know, I'm not trying to say too much on YouTube because I don't know what you can say and I don't know what you can't say. And maybe I be talking too close to this mic, and that's why it be like that. I feel like I really have been liking my 3D lip nails. Y'all know when I first did one, my opinion on that, I said you would have to pay me $1 million to even think about doing it. Turns out I just decided to make it hard on myself. And turns out I continue to make it hard on myself because why won't I just, well, I'm going to get it. I was just using what I had on hand at first. But yeah, instead of this clear gel for the teeth, I need to use white gel because I don't like how every time I try to do gel polish, it ends up bleeding into the cracks of the teeth, and then it just look hideous to me. But it don't be bad, it just be that the gel polish bled. So it's not what I be looking for. So I'm gonna order me some white 3D gel and some pink 3D gel for the lips, and then we're gonna try that again. We're gonna see if we got it mastered to my liking. So I don't think it's terrible. I just think it's the teeth, and I think I just need the white gel because it's throwing me off. But other than that, oh, and then to say, I was working with limited 3D gel. Like, I only had a little bit left in my jar, and I stretched it to do the lips, the teeth, the tatas. Like, I didn't think I was even gonna have enough to do the tatas for real. If y'all knew how much I stretched, like, I had very little product and it stretched, and it looked like I had a lot. I really didn't have a lot. So if the lips look a little bit thin and they look like they could have been juicier, they probably could have. But I was working with what I had, and I'm not complaining. To be honest, I'm not complaining. The only thing I'm complaining about is the teeth, which I will fix. And it's one last elephant in the room I would like to address, and it's my natural nails ring stained orange under this. I be seasoning my chicken with turmeric and ginger. Not really for the taste, just for the health benefits. So my nails get stained, because you know, my bad, the way I'm choking. I was eating chocolate, hold on, I'm choking. Turmeric stains nails, like, everybody know that. This was my first time I switched it up for my 3D lips, and I added a little tongue, because I feel like I wanted her to be licking a lollipop, because she wanted to lick me like a lollipop. Like, it was something cute, it was something simple, and I really liked it. I really don't have much to say, y'all. I'm talking in circles. This Chrome gave me a run for my money. Don't know what it was about it. I ended up just outlining every letter, every word, chroming, then going over it with the top coat, writing over it to set it in, curing it, then wiping it off, all the excess chrome off, because for some reason I couldn't get it to isolate. So now, guess what, y'all? We're going to be on a hunt for the perfect isolation method. And y'all know I'm going to bring y'all along with me. So we're going to get to the bottom of that immediately. ASAP, Rocky, Pronto, Stat. We're going to figure that out. But for now, I had to do what I had to do. This is my first time doing Tata nails, and I was kind of running low on gel polish, but I'm stocking up. We're gonna be good soon. Everything's going to be good, A-okay soon. We good, girl. Thank you. Thank you for the concern. Actually just ordered me some 32, 34, 36-inch bundles. I was like, wait, I forgot I wanted to stock up on a whole bunch of gel polishes. But then I realized after I said that, I was tripping anyway. Because when I was about to pay for them gel polishes, I could have just got a Beatles nail set, and it works the same. And yeah, I was about to get each D&D set polished individual, and yeah, I just made it harder on myself, to be honest. And I was going in with like cheater, leopard print, whatever you want to call it, because I was like, damn, don't do drugs, kids. I'm really just real chill, real mellow. You know how you chill and you don't want to talk, but you talking, and it's like you voice the words out, but you're not voicing them. But yeah, I went in, I did the stars. After this, because I forgot the stars, y'all. I was doing this set like the night before I had work. I love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe.